I work for New Directions Technologies Incorporated, and we are a small business veteran-owned company that is a DoD contractor. We hire people and put them to work on multiple bases across the country. We also work with the Navy and the Air Force and NASA, and we hire engineering, IT, cybersecurity, program management, logistics. Currently, we're realizing that the demand for IT and cybersecurity has grown to an all-time high. We can't find enough people to staff our open positions today that we have across the country. In fact, right now, I'm looking for 3 cybersecurity candidates for our contract at Hill Air Force Base. So we're looking for even entry-level candidates that we can bring on board, provide them a little bit of training, and get them to work. So NDTI has founded and is co-sponsoring a robotics program that works with the middle and high school kids in town. So we start the process at a very young age with these kids. We run this robotics program to primarily influence them in the STEM areas, that is science, technology, engineering, and math. We get them started in middle school, continue with them into high school, and then we encourage them to come to Cerro Coso. So we tell them, you get a 2-year diploma, and I can give them a job on base. And we work with the committees, the Cerro Coso Advisory Committee. We meet with them on a regular basis. We tell them what kind of classes to include in their curriculum. We tell them what kind of certifications are needed. So these students, when they graduate from school to work, they are ready on day one to get on the job and not be intimidated by the technology they're about to face. Career education is a great business investment.